Hey, what's up guys? So, good afternoon. I'm going to check out a 2011 G37 Type S. Or a G37s, I don't know how those go anymore. It's got 130,000 miles. The deal's pretty good, so I'm gonna go check it out. It's black. I hate buying black. I hate everything about black. I would never own a black car. I just hate it. So we'll see how the swirl marks look on this bad boy, because you know it's gonna have swirls. And see what happens. And then if this doesn't work out, there's also a Mercedes, but that one's in Newport Beach. Completely opposite way of the spectrum, two separate spots on the map. So we'll see how all this stuff goes out, how it all pans out, and hopefully I end up with a little G37s. Hey, what's up guys? So I'm in a new car. You already know what's up. So I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet just because it's dark, and I'm gonna clip it in probably. But I picked it up, G37s, 130,000 miles. It's pretty clean. I didn't expect it to be this clean, to be completely honest with you. So I'll clip in some more stuff later. What's up guys? Good morning. Check out what we got behind me. What? A G37s. I'll tell you how I acquired this one and how it went down. All right guys, what's up? Good morning. You already know, new day. I stayed up late, freaking going all over the place. I ended up in Newport Beach, I ended up in Glendale, I ended up in Hollywood, and back into Long Beach. So what do I have here? I don't know if you can hear it. G37s. So pretty excited on this one. I didn't get it for absolutely cheap, but I got it for a good deal. I got to put in just minimal work to it, not a ton. So I think we'll be profitable on this one. And if not, looks like I might be keeping it until we are profitable. So that's what's going down with this one. Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So I've been kind of, I don't know, maybe sad for the last week. I've been searching and searching and searching, trying to get a different car. The deals haven't been popping up. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was just the end of the month. People weren't posting up cars for sale. I'm not exactly sure. But when you have kind of slow time and things like that, you're able to work at different things in your business. So that's important, whether it's your social media, creating content, whatever it may be, because you got to put these things out there and you know, help your followers, of course. So I put things out here exclusively to show you guys that you can do it also. There's nothing special about what I do besides at the beginning. At the beginning, you have to just start and you have to commit. And once you commit, you know you can't lose your money. So you do anything and everything to get into a car at a good deal, and know that you're going to be able to get out of the car at a better deal. So you need to make sure you're able to put profit into your pocket so that you can reinvest all that money, get another car, and keep flipping them out. I was so lucky to land on this one, the G37s. I look usually for enthusiast type cars because it's what I love, it's what I enjoy, and I feel like they're quick sales for me. I don't sit on them too long. I scope them out, make sure they're as clean as they need to be, address any type of repairs, bumper paint, whatever it may be. Nothing too crazy extensive. And once I do that, then I list it up for sale and get my money right back out of it and reinvest it into another car. So right now I'm driving to Orange County, Fullerton to be exactly, to drop it off with my buddy Juan at FZ Garage. What we're doing with it, probably just a valve cover gasket. He's gonna check it out, see if there's any leaks anywhere else in the engine. So we'll get that all addressed. We'll do a basic tune-up, oil, coolant, transmission flush, all those types of things, and clean it up and put it for sale. So let's see how this one goes. Before you show me anything, I'm about to put Juan on blast. I'm gonna tell you why. I'm not gonna put him on video too long, but he says I overpaid for the G37. I'm gonna prove his ass wrong.
Let's see it.
Damn, picking up the Beamer. So like I said, I was getting some work done on the E90, picking that up, and I'm dropping off the G37 right now to see what that thing needs. But again, it doesn't need too much. Hey, what's up guys? I'll let you know what's happening today, this morning. So let me turn down the music. So I just picked up a G37s. It had aftermarket wheels on it. Having aftermarket items on a car usually means that it doesn't sell as well as having the stock counterparts. Yeah, let me see, there might be a cop right here. No, he's not here this morning. Okay, so having a stock vehicle sells quite a bit faster than having a car with aftermarket parts on it. So when I purchase a car, if it has aftermarket items, I'm kind of doing a cost analysis on what happens if I buy the stock pieces and then resell the aftermarket pieces. Now, remember, it's more of a pain in the butt to do those types of things, but you know, if you want to flip the car quick, that's kind of what you have to do, right? Now, secondly, you're probably not going to make that much money on this, the aftermarket parts, but there is money to be made in the aftermarket parts. Like for instance, I'm going to pick up some wheels right now for the G37s in Cudahy. They're the 19-inch G37 sport wheels. I really want those on the car. The wheels that are on there right now, they're nice, absolutely nice. I'm actually going to keep those, but it's better for me to have the stocks. All right, so that's what's going on right there. So we're driving out. It's 8:30 in the morning. So we're gonna get that all done, and then guess what? So right now, I'm in the white Benz, the white C300, and you guys saw me pick it up. I ended up in just like an amazing neighborhood. I've never seen, you know, a house is so nice. But so I ended up going to pick that up, and life just kind of leads you into weird places. So on OfferUp, I was, you know, looking through some ads, and one came up for a 350Z, and it had the dollar like price tag. You know, it's always scam, but I decided to click on it. And when I clicked on it, it said that they were looking to trade a 6-speed 2005 350Z. 6-speed 350Z, they fetch around, I don't know, like 7K, probably higher. It's very, very clean. So I'm gonna trade this Benz for that. And the reason I'm gonna do that is because this Benz has 165,000 miles, and even though the maintenance records are like immaculate, it's gonna sit probably for at least 30 days. That 350Z, if I trade this for that, it's gonna sell within a week tops, maybe a couple days. And so that might happen. We'll see if that actually happens. But I'm in talks, and the person said they're gonna hit me up today. So we'll see if that actually happens, if this video even gets made. So that'll be pretty sweet. We'll see what happens. And I'd be pretty excited to get a 350Z manual 6-speed in immaculate condition for sure. That thing was super, super clean. The seller, the person that listed it for trade, they must have asked me a million questions on why I'm trading such a nice Mercedes for that. And I told them the truth. I told them, you know what, I'm a dealer. I don't come by those cars too often, and when I do, they're just a little too expensive for me to purchase. So if she's interested, I think it's a she actually, it's a girl name on there, but if she's interested in trading for a family car, which is what she listed, then that's what we're gonna get done. So we're about to pull in, pick up these wheels, see how that all goes, but we're pulling in right now to get that G37 wheels. See where we end up.
Couldn't do shit to it, you know what I mean? Like, I brought the car and I couldn't do shit. So this is the only one that
yeah, I saw that one.
Picture of?
Yeah. You guys already know I'm up early getting them deals. So we picked up the wheels. They're in phenomenal shape. One wheel has some curb rash. The rest are great. Tires, so I don't even have to spend any money on tires. So that's great. I get to keep the aftermarket wheels for one of my cars in the future. And I picked up a set of OEM G37 sport wheels. So I'm very happy about that whole situation and glad I was able to pick them up. And then the fourth one's in the trunk. Man, you meet some interesting people when you're out and about. Number one, I shouldn't be out and about. Number two, I'm always wearing a mask. So, I mean, I gotta do what I gotta do. But this guy straight told me, hey, you need some plastic? You don't wanna put those wheels in the bins? I'm like, I mean, sure, dude, if you got plastic. He's like, yeah, man, I'm a mortician. And then he brings me body bags. So this is how we're gonna end this video, guys. I'll show you what the G37 wheels ended up looking like once we got it all completed. This is the one with the curb rash. And we'll get that repaired still. But it came out good. And as you guys already know, I always talk about it. Make sure you subscribe to all the videos. I'm always creating content every single day that I'm out. I'm creating something for you guys so that you get to learn, or if you've ever been interested in doing what I'm doing, it's to make it easier for you. So if you have any questions at any time, always reach out. I'm here to help. Leave some stuff in the comments, share the videos. And again, thank you for everything.